Hi, good morning. My name is Abby and I'm a sales consultant at Dave Wheaton GM. And this is the 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport. I'm going to begin this walk around video with a 360-degree view of the vehicle before we dig deep, and I'll explain all the features and specs on this vehicle. Now, there isn't much change that has happened between the 2023 and a 2024 or a 2025 XT6. They still have the same exterior and interior specs. In the front, we have a front camera, parking sensors, fully LED and automatic daytime running lights and headlamps, along with rain sensing wipers. On the side, we have 21-inch all-season M&S tires, keyless entry for all the 4 doors, and blind spot detector on the side mirrors. Moving to the back, we have defrost, a wiper, parking sensors, and a backup camera. And this is the all-wheel drive version, so you have the all-wheel drive badging along with the XT6 badging. With the XT6 Sport, you get a power liftgate. This is a 7-seater with bucket seats in the second row. 6-seater, I apologize. And you also have power folding seats for the second and the third row. Tons of storage room if the back seats are folded. We even have some under storage with your engine block heater. In the back, we have a dual climate zone with heated seats on both sides, a USB and a Type-C charging port, and just giving you a preview of the digital screen for the back passengers. On the side, we have entry and exit memory. Up to 2 settings can be stored. This vehicle has the Bose audio sound system, emergency parking brake, brightness adjustment for your infotainment system, and your heads-up display controls. You can adjust the height of the heads-up display. I'm not sure. I'm going to try my best to capture it for you. Right there. You can adjust the height of the heads-up display. You can change the information that you see on it. And you can also adjust the brightness level. Now, both the driver and the passenger will get power seats with lower back support. On your steering wheel, we have your adaptive cruise control on the left side, heated steering wheel right here, phone and voice command controls right here, with your audio and channel controls on the back at 9 and 3. And then these are your manual paddle shifters. You have a semi-digital odometer that you can customize with whatever information convenient for you. Over here you have your gear shift, audio control, navigation, music. You can scroll through your infotainment system, make a phone call or return back to the home screen. You also have traction control, and you can switch between all-wheel drive, sport, off-roading, or city, which is 2-wheel drive. Now, being a Cadillac and an XT6 Sport, everything that you come across in the interior cabin is leather or carbon fiber. You have these really nice cup holders that can be hidden with some storage on top. We also have a wireless charger right here. Now this particular vehicle comes with heated and cooled seats for the driver and the passenger. We also have parking sensors that can be controlled, automatic start-stop and lane assistance. In the infotainment system, we have audio, which allows you to scroll through between FM, AM, Sirius XM, aux and Bluetooth. We have an inbuilt navigation system, but then you can also connect your phone wirelessly via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for Google Maps right there. Now each key fob can be programmed to a specific driver, and therefore you can create specific user profiles. The Cadillac XT6 Sport also comes with 75 gigabytes of Wi-Fi data, which means that your navigation won't stop in case you travel to a place with zero cell reception. The Wi-Fi extracts its data from satellite, and you can also use it as a hotspot to stay connected to your friends and family. You can control the front and the rear climate. You can record vehicle video, and it has the 360-degree camera, so you have a front camera, back camera, overhead back and front, side, hitch, and you can switch to a full screen or a split screen. Now we also have 3 garage settings that can be stored and a fully panoramic power sunroof. Over here we have your standard rear view mirror that is also a camera. You can adjust the brightness, you can zoom in or zoom out, and you can also change the position of the camera as per your convenience. And at any point of time you find the camera distracting, you can switch it off. So that was it, my walk around video for your consideration. This is the 2023 Cadillac XT6 Sport. I look forward to hearing back from you with any queries or questions you may have. My name is Abby, and you can reach out to me via phone or email. I'll leave my details in my email signature. Thank you.